Hola, Señora Vaz here with your instructions for today. Today we're going to work on our content page. And you have a warm-up about colors. That's what we were doing last class. So you're going to click here and you are going to respond de qué color es. What color is it? De qué color es. When you click here, it shows you this page. And it's asking you de qué color es. So you're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to answer, I put 1, 2, 3, 4. I will go ahead and just copy these ones, copy them, and click reply, and put here, and then go back and say 1, ¿qué color es? ¿De qué color es? And then put the color here. And then you submit your post by clicking post reply. Okay, that will be your warm-up for today. Remember, you only have 5 minutes to complete your warm-up. So be aware of that. Let's go to the plan again. We're going to create the class content page, and it's like our syllabus, what we're going to be seeing this 6 weeks, and we are going to work together on this. However, if you are not in class for any reason, I put a video with instructions here. You just click here and there's a video with all the instructions of what we're going to do during class. I'm not going to show this video here. It's kind of long because it has all the instructions for the class. So I'm just going to leave it there in case that you need it. If you are in class, I'm going to provide you with the copies that you need for the activity. But if you are not in class, you're remotely, you need to click here to get your copies. I explained that in the instructions here, and same with what is going to go in each one of the pages that we have. You will understand once you do it. So here is the copies to be printed, and here is the information. If you don't complete this during the class, well, you also have the help here that you can do and finish at home. Here's the materials we're going to use, and this is just a note for the ones who are absent from class. They had to submit a video. If you're in class, you don't have to submit a video. I'm going to check your paper in class. All right, that's all for today, and we'll be working in class. Hasta pronto.